All right, happy campers. Now it's the sad time when we have to go back home. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back through the steps, but this time it's gonna be in reverse order. So one of the things we gotta do to unlevel it or control our slide is have the vehicle running. Parking brake's already engaged. Start the vehicle. And if you notice over here, there's two extra ones that I added that's not part of the actual setup, but I add them and I put them down here so we know to do them. First thing we want to do is check all the vents and doors and windows, make sure they're all closed. I've already done that. The next thing we want to do is go through the exterior, make sure all the storage and doors and stuff are closed and everything is put away. I've already done that as well. So we can go ahead and take those two off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work our way up from the bottom to the top. First thing we want to do is retract our slide out. To retract your slide out, come over here and you're going to tap your screen. You're going to hit the slide out. And this time we're going to come in. And just hold it down. And now I can let off of that, and I am done with that. Go back to the main screen, grab my next indicator. The next reminder is going to be my hookups. So let's go ahead and go outside and unhook everything. Hello there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with my water. Go ahead and turn my water off. Leave some of the pressure. Disconnect my water hose here. The reason we do it in this order is so we can kind of get to this stuff without having to fight the slide out and reach up underneath here. So now go ahead and undo this water. Down, put my white cap in, covering the hole. What I like to do is pick it up from where the regulator's actually at and just kind of walk it through, getting all that water out, and I can line my hose back up nice and neat. Disconnect my electricity, unscrew it, and pull it off, shut that down, come back over here, go ahead and turn off their circuit breakers for them, disconnect the surge protector. Store your cable. Now we have everything nice and neat. Come back over to our storage compartment. we're going to do is our water hose. Come back inside the RV. I'll go back to the front of the vehicle. The next one is my leveling. So I want to come back over here. Tap on my leveling, and you have arrows right here and an enter button. So what we want to do, scroll down to where it lights up the auto retract. Once that's done, hold on, because it's going to pop them back up. It's retracting all the jacks now. And we can go back to our home screen. Just close it out. Work my way back over here. Last thing I want to do, release my parking brake. And unfortunately, now it's time to go home.